Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to clear cache system data on your iPhone. This is the garbage that accumulates on our phone, and not everyone knows how to delete it. There are many different ways. There is one way which will not clear everything, but it will remove a significant part of it. How to do this? It's very simple. You go into the settings of your iPhone. Go a little lower and find the list of applications installed on our iPhone. And if you're using the Safari app, this method of cleaning will work for you. This app accumulates a lot of garbage and cache, and it's worth clearing. So you click on that. Go down and click Clear History and Website Data, or you can click Advanced. Click Website Data where we see a list of sites and you can delete it all. But I will show you how to delete it the first way. We will click on Clear History and Website Data. When we click here, the trash will be cleared and the space will be free. If you have never cleaned storage with this method, you may have a lot of gigabytes of storage. Click here. But there is one warning. After these actions, all your history in Safari will be cleared, all the tabs that have been opened, but the saved bookmarks and favorite sites will remain. But it will delete all the information you viewed in Safari. If that doesn't scare you, this is a great option for cleaning up. Here's such an easy way to do it. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.